This is book number 1, which is If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, and it is by HarperCollins Children's Books. It comes in this type of bag, pretty cool. This is the book, pretty nice book, and this is the back side. This is written by Lara Numeroff, illustrated by Felicia Bond, and let's start. Nice book. If you give a mouse a cookie, let's get to this. Page 1. If you give a mouse a cookie, he's going to ask for a glass of milk. When you give him the milk, he'll probably ask you for a straw. When he's finished, he'll ask for a napkin. Then he'll want to look in the mirror to make sure he doesn't have a milk mustache. When he looks into the mirror, he might notice his hair needs a trim, so he'll probably ask for a pair of nail scissors. When he's finished, he's giving himself a trim, he'll want the broom to sweep up. He'll start sweeping. He might get carried away and sweep every room in the house. He may even end up washing the floors as well. When he's done, he'll probably want to take a nap. You'll have to fix up a little box for him with a blanket and a pillow. He'll crawl in, make himself comfortable, and fluff the pillow a few times. He'll probably ask you to read him a story. So you'll read to him from one of your books, and he'll ask to see the pictures. When he looks at the pictures, he'll get so excited he'll want to draw one of his own. He'll ask for paper and crayons. He'll draw a picture, and over here I guess you could draw. When the picture is finished, he'll want to sign his name with a pen. Then he'll want to hang his picture on your refrigerator, which means he'll need Scotch tape. He'll hang up his drawing and stand back to look at it. Looking at the refrigerator will remind him that he's thirsty. So he'll ask for a glass of milk, and chances are if he asks for a glass of milk, he's going to want a cookie to go with it. And if you give a mouse a cookie word search, it has this nice word search here to find the words. Sweet stories. And then he'll need the notebook and some pencils, mix and match. So cool activities, nice books here. This is toy number 1. Cool book to read. Nice mouse if you give a mouse a cookie. This is how I did the activities. The word search over here, I found the crayon was pretty challenging to find. And then over here was to continue with the sentence. If you gave a mouse a cheese, he's going to ask for apple juice to go with it. My favorite food is pizza. Then to draw pizza underneath. That's how I did it. And then this one here was just matching them together, which was pretty fun. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.